Hello YouTubers, on my last review that I did, I covered a lot of categories on the Amazfit Stratos 3 watch, but I did not cover the music option. So I'm making this short video to cover this category as far as music, music syncing. As far as I know, the music works by, you have to first connect it via the USB cable, via the USB adapter, the charging snap-on adapter that it has, and this contacts here are the ones that provide power, and at the same time they act as to sync. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect it. T730. So here I am doing the connection, and as soon as I connect it, it should recognize the let's see, there it is. See, this cable is coming off. Okay, so it is connected. I do see a charge. I just saw the Windows USB driver activating in the PC. So as you can see, it is being connected now. It says that it is ready via MTP. It must be some sort of protocol. So here I have a music folder with music obviously installed, which I plan to transfer over to the watch once it's fully once the driver is fully installed. So here's the new window, and I'm gonna search for the watch. It is there. It appears as Amazfit Stratos 3. So I'm gonna click on that icon, and I can see the watch there. I can see the watch internal memory there. I'm gonna double click. And by the way, I was also told that via this method I can also install custom watch faces. There is a folder that says watch face there. So I gotta figure that out, how that works. So I'm gonna find the music folder. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go to my music folder in the Windows machine, and I'm gonna transfer a song. Which song do you guys think I should transfer? Let's choose this one from Elton John. I guess that's why they call it the blues. So let me do the transfer. There it is. Copy. I wish I can learn how to set up playlists. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna transfer another one. Diana Ross and the Supremes. You Can't Hurry Love. I'm gonna transfer that one. Oops. Right click. Oh. Right click, drag, and copy. Okay, so those two songs have been transferred to the internal memory of the watch. Let me click on the music folder to verify that they are there. Indeed, they are there. So I was trying to connect the Powerbeats Pro and I had some difficulty. So what I'm gonna do is get permission from my son to use the AirPods Pro. Well, I'm not really sure why it's not connecting. Oh, there they are. There they are. So, do you want to pair them? Yes, I do want to pair them. So I will let you guys know. Okay, I can ascertain, I can confirm that they have been paired. They are paired to the watch because I can hear them. I have both AirPods Pro connected to my ears. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go to the music app, and I'm gonna confirm for you guys that I'm able to play the two songs that I transfer over using the computer. I am looking for the music app. There it is. It says initializing. Let me see what those settings say. volume control. Oh, nice. Okay, playback mode, random play. Oh, I guess I'll choose random play because I don't have a playlist, but I don't see the songs that I transfer over. I don't see them. I'm gonna push play and see what anything plays. Yes, there it is. There is the song from Elton John. Let me see if I can use one of these buttons to turn the volume up. It doesn't work, but I am able to listen to the song. And if you can see around the bezel, there's like a progress bar of the length of the song. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna click next and see if it reads the other song from the Supremes. Yes, it does. So I can confirm also that the other song does play using the AirPods Pro. So again, this is how you transfer music on using the Amazfit Stratos3 fitness watch. And you have to connect it to your computer, and you have to physically drag and drop music files. Thank you again, YouTubers.